that Siberian elm, it is green. That's what it cut like. And you saw the real-time speed there. Of course, that was cross-cut, so let's do some ripping cut and see how that looks. This is about 2.5 inches thick. And this does have a bunch of dirt and stuff. I didn't clean it. I didn't even take the bark off. And this tree was, it was infested with slime flux. To give a bit more context, this is a 4 TPI, no, I'm sorry, 6 TPI 5/8 blade. And as you can see, it ripped through that like really quickly. No problems whatsoever. And then these will become different things that I'm working on and different aspects of my art. So that just gives you an idea of the speed on that. Let me grab something else. So to make this just a little bit more challenging, I'm going to do some Russian olive. It is wet. It did rain quite a bit. We have a branch right here in the middle. I am going to rip this, and if you know anything about Russian olive, it's a pretty tough wood to cut. My chainsaws hate it. So that's long ripping, right, with the 6 TPI blade on this. So we're going to do one rip here with the fence. See how much the blade moves, because that's often when you'll see how much the blade will wander, is when you have pressure on one side like that. So we are going to go and that did really well. No bind, no significant wander. I mean, when you get taller like this, like we're at the max pretty much of the height of this, the blade will tend to wander a little bit, just because it is a bandsaw blade. But yeah, it cut pretty straight. I mean, it wouldn't be much to get these flattened through the planer or whatnot to use for whatever I wanted.